So there's nothing else to this for you? Other than, increasing the followers on our Instagram and all of that.
I mean, it makes sense, doesn't it?
Sure.
I like you, you like me. It's good for business.
Yeah? Nothing more?
Mm-mm.
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 I'd like to put a bet on that.
Okay. Deal.
Yeah. We'll see. And make you love me. And be real love as well.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
You'll forget about this trophy shit when you love me.
Ti saluto con 2 baci quando arrivi e con uno quando te ne vai. Ti sorprendo con 2 calici